Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You must be 13 or older to use Roblox voice chat. Verify your age now using the Roblox mobile app camera. Open the app and tap the profile icon to start verification. Choose Verify with ID and take a clear photo of your government ID. Follow the on-screen steps until verification confirms your age as 13 or older. This mobile ID upload is the only way to unlock voice chat on your account. After verification, sign into Roblox on any device and open settings. Tap Privacy and locate the voice chat setting in the list. Toggle voice chat on and confirm that the control shows enabled. Return to your laptop and sign in to ensure the feature appears active on desktop. If the setting does not appear, recheck verification status in the mobile app. Voice chat must be enabled in your account before your laptop microphone will connect. On your laptop, grant microphone permission in Windows Privacy settings first. Then give mic access to your browser or the Roblox app through the permission prompt. Open Roblox and join an experience that supports spatial voice to test functionality. Use headphones and speak normally while watching the in-game voice indicator light up. You can mute or unmute from the Roblox menu and control volume per player. If you still cannot connect, restart the app and recheck permissions to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.